Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Junaid and this is my first review video on this channel. I'm gonna show you how this PC is gonna perform. The CPU is the i9 3900K. The memory is DDR5, 64 GB RAM. The graphic card is my 4070 Ti, and I also got the Intel UHD graphics. The reason why I do this video is because I was looking for a good PC and I was not sure about how a good PC will perform with my Sony Alpha 1 video. You know, I always record the most of the time 8K and I was not sure about a good PC. I was looking on YouTube but didn't find any good video about the Intel i9 3900K. So let's start with the first video. The first video was shot 5K on the DJI. So I'm scrubbing on this timeline. Not a single frame drop, as you can see, 0 frames on full screen. As you can see, not a single frame drop, 5K DJI Air2s. Let's try some plugins. I'm gonna use the Sapphire Builder. If you don't know this plugin, this is a really good plugin. Let's see how this plugin is performing on this PC. As you can see, there's a lot of transitions, so we are moving. Let's see. Okay, this is not smooth, as you can see. Okay. Okay, now it's smooth. I don't know why, because it maybe needed time or something. To be honest, I'm surprised. On this timeline I got the Sony Alpha 1 4K 10-bit. As you can see, there's the information. I shot it on 50 FPS. Let's have a look. Okay, if there's any frame drop. But it's okay, not a single frame drop. And let's try the play button. I will now try a VFX on this clip. We are on the Sapphire presets browser right now. There's a lot of ton of VFX units you can see. Let's see playback. Okay. It's not smooth. Let's give it a little bit time. Okay, I'm gonna just look around. Okay, this is interesting because you need to give him a little bit time and then he will go smooth with the VFX. It's just amazing, you know. Wow, it's looking really good, to be honest. It's really fast, you know, as you can see. So I'm gonna give this video an effect. Let's try underwater. All right. As you can see, red timeline, and let's play it. Yeah, it's losing 2 frames. So, okay, it's losing frames. And half quality, I think it's also gonna lose. Yeah, let's go down 1.8. Yeah, 1.8 is not a problem. 1.4. Okay, this is not also bad. As you can see, half quality is dropping frames, but if you go to 1.4, you don't will have any trouble. Okay, the third one is the Sony Alpha 1 8K 10-bit. Let's see how it performs there. I got the timeline now here. Let's play it. Okay, no 0 frames drop. Okay, let's go to the second one. So playback is actually not that bad. As you can see, full screen. Okay, let's scrub it. Yeah, there's drop, but why is it green? I don't know. Yeah, it's not that bad, to be honest. It's 8K, you know. Okay, I'm gonna put a effect on this clip. Let's see, this is now 8K video. How it performs the. Okay, there are frame drops. Okay, this is now smooth. Also smooth. Wow, sick, man. It's really sick. Nice. Okay, nice. Okay, let's play it. Okay, there are frame drops. Let's go 1.4. Let's go all the way down. 1.16. We are now 1.16 and there's no frame drop. This is like you're working with proxies, but you don't need to convert your videos, you know. This is a lot of time saving. 1.8 is also working. 1.4. Okay, this is strange, this is creepy. The half quality. No, okay. You can work with 1.8. It's okay because you have a VFX on it. It's 8K 10-bit. It's fine. If you want me to try this on After Effects, just let me know. I can also do a video about this. Don't forget to like this video. All my videos are on my homepage. Just take a look and have fun. See you next time. Bye.